Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So, my sister is back there playing the recorder. Jimena, can you please not play that? Please? Okay guys, so, in the mail, something just amazing happened. This! Well, you guys, I didn't look in it. I just, cut it open to see what it was, and it's actually my squishy, so let's go ahead and get started. So, the first ones, I didn't. Okay, so, the first one here is this. Jimena, no, hold on. This is, so amazing. So, yeah, here we go. Let's see if it's slow rising. It's super slow rising, and it's so squishy. Look, I can, make it into a tortilla. And even if you're watching this, so slow rising. Look, guys. Look, just squeeze it.
Then I may feel it.
No, Jimena, hold on. Squish it, and then, so slow rising. Yeah, can you get my scissors, please?
Okay.
It's, so squishy, and I love this one. I love it. Meow. Charlize, if you're watching this, you're gonna love this squishy. Because it's a cat, and it has stars. Ooh. Okay, and it's just so, squishy. And it's so slow rising, literally. Just look at this. Thank you. So we have this one. Oh my god, and then now we have, this little cute bear. These just small, foam. Ooh, and we also got some stickers. Charlize, if you're watching this again, if you want these stickers, go ahead. Or I can, give these away, yeah, I think I'm going to give them away. And it's, let's see if it's slow rising. Yes, it is. It's, super slow rising. Super slow rising. They give it a huge squeeze. Woo! Isn't it amazing, guys? Squishy. Wow.
I have a mom.
Hold on. Ooh, this looks like it's a piece of bread.
Oh, I like bears. I don't like
It's kind of sticky.
star.
It's kind of sticky from, this part. So let's see if it's slow rising. My god. I love this. I love this. Look, it's, super slow rising. Hold on, guys. Okay, so you see the face? Hold on, guys. How many can you hold this?
Okay.
Like that. You guys see the face? Well, just watch this, guys. That's just so amazing. Wow. You guys just see that? It's just, wow. So rising. And it's kind of sticky from, this part. The top is not squishy, but I mean, the top is squishy. It's just not sticky, the white part. So, 3 amazing squishies so far.
Does it stop?
Ooh, we got, what is this? A piece of bread. Let's see if this is slow rising. It's not that slow rising, but it is, kind of. It is kind of. And this is a bread. So, okay. Where's the other one? Oh, Jimena has it. These are 4, amazing squishies so far. Just, wow. Okay.
This is so big.
Let's see this one. Oh,
What's that?
entrance squishy.
My hair smells.
It's a creepy squishy.
I like squishies. Moji. Tina, I see Moji one.
Whoa, okay, so first off, this squishy, well, this eye is coming off, and, like, you guys see that? Like, it's ripping. Like, just literally, like, you guys see that? This squishy is super defected, and it has a creepy face, but still good squishy. Okay, next one. Oh, we got a turtle!
Oh, you may see it?
Yeah. Like, this turtle, wow. Or is it a tortoise? I don't know. But the shell, it looks like it's totally like a kind of Mexican bread. Like, concha. Do you guys know what a concha is? If you're Mexican, you might know what a concha is. And this, like, the shell literally looks like a concha. Mexican concha. It's just, looks like a concha. You're so squishy. Squishy. And, wow. This one is defected too. From the mouth. You guys see that? It's like defected right there. Like it's coming off the paint. Okay, next squishy. It's just like it's just like a loaf of bread with crazy eyes. You guys see those crazy eyes? Woo! Ooh! Crazy eyes. Ooh, crazy sparrow eyes. Okay. Next one. Ooh! Oh! My God, this looks so cute! It's like a Minnie Mouse squishy! It's like a Minnie Mouse pancake squishy with a face. Like, do you guys, like, really, is it just me or does it look like a Minnie Mouse squishy? It looks like a Minnie Mouse squishy. It looks like a Minnie Mouse pancake squishy with her bow. Woo! Let's give it a squeeze.
What?
It's fast rising. It's not slow rising, as you can see.
Dana.
The slow rising ones are the best. Okay, next one.
Wait, what?
Okay, so this one, like, me and my sister are still waiting for, like, what, how many are these?
Squish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, these are the 10 random squishies, okay. So this is a cute little panda. This is a cute little green panda. Let's give it a squeeze. This one's slow rising. Like, literally this side. I smushed that cute little face. Ooh, face is in a hole. So this is a panda squishy. Okay. The next one, the last but not least, ooh. There's like these bunch of like hairs. Oh, these like came with this and like you could put them like on the holes that they come in. Oh, there we go. So like these you could put them anywhere. Like I'm gonna put them in my backpack. I'm literally gonna put them on my backpack. Cause these are so cute. And the last but not least,
Oh my gosh.
an ice cream cone. This ice cream cone. I just want to eat it.
Don't eat it.
Don't you guys want to eat, like, this is like a white vanilla, and this is like what? A French vanilla, kind of? I don't know. So, let's see. I think it is kind of a slow rising. Kind of. What are you doing? No, are you crazy? My sister's trying to cut up the squishies. These scissors are not for you.
That's for you.
So yeah. And that's basically all that was in this bag. That came inside this bag. Okay guys, so these were like some amazing squishies. And like, I just love these. And I'm having a giveaway. So make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that little bell, because if you don't, YouTube is going to unsubscribe you, and you don't want that. So these were some amazing squishies. Like well, I like this one and this one. And like, just like crazy eyes here. The ice cream cone, this little cute bear, this cat that Charlize will love, this panda, and this, whatever this is, but this one's super defected. This one, and like literally the mini. My God.
Turtle, Winnie.
So yeah. These were all the squishies, and it came with,
Squishy.
These squishies, oh my God, it's hard to like pick them up because then they fall and all that.
I can help you.
So these all of these squishies came with these. So like I can like attach these to the squishies, because like each squishy comes with like this little thing. So I can hang them on my backpack, and I will do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell, because if you don't, YouTube is going to unsubscribe you. My sister made a huge defect. My sister made this one defected. Like, she literally grabbed the freaking scissors and she cut a hole in the panda's ears. In the panda ear. You guys see that? Like, you guys see that? It's not very big, but it's defected. Why? You're so cute. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Make sure to comment in the comment box below. So make sure to tell me if you want glitter on your slime, and then I'll be choosing 3 random lucky winners. So yeah, I just love these. So squishy. Like, really. I think this one's my favorite out of all of them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this squishy loving video. I see you there, and I see all of you. Well, I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!